Good morning, everyone. It's good to see you here. My name is Angelina, and I'm responsible for preparing quick training materials related to daily life skills. In today's presentation, I'm planning to explain to you about how to make a cup of instant coffee. If there's any questions you would like to ask, please leave them until the end when I do my best to answer them. In today's presentation, I would like to cover 3 points. First of all, the materials we need. Second, the step-by-step process. And finally, the result and some tips. I'll start with the materials we need. To make instant coffee, here are the things that you might need it. First, a cup or mug. Second, a teaspoon. Third, instant coffee powder or granules. Fourth, hot water. And last, sugar, creamer, or milk. But this is optional. It's best to prepare all of them before starting so everything is ready. And we go through the process. Now let's go through the steps. First, we have to boil the water using a kettle or a dispenser. It depends what you have in your home. Second, put 1 or 2 teaspoons of instant coffee into your cup, depending on how strong you like it. For me, I prefer 2 teaspoons because I can't drink strong coffee. Third, add a sugar or creamer if you like it sweet or creamy. It's optional. Next, pour the hot water into the cup, about 200 milliliters. And then stir everything well until the coffee is fully dissolved. And finally, you can add a bit of milk if you prefer a smoother taste. After following those steps, your coffee is ready to enjoy. Here are a few tips. Don't use water that's too hot because it can make the coffee taste bitter. Stir well so the flavor is balanced. You can also experiment with cinnamon, vanilla, or other flavors if you want something different. So that's an overview of how to make a cup of instant coffee. Now, just to summarize, let's quickly look at the main points again. The first is the materials we need. Secondly, the process step by step. And finally, the result and some tips for a better taste. I would like to conclude by saying that making instant coffee is a quick and easy way to enjoy your day, and with a few simple touches, you can make it taste even better. Finally, I would like to finish by thanking you for coming today. Thank you for your attention. If anyone has any questions, feel free to ask them now.